Two smart doorbells, two different strengths. Which one fits your home best? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Philips 7000 Series Video Doorbell and Eufy Video Doorbell E340 to see which one offers better smart home security. From video quality to smart features and performance, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right one. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Philips 7000 series features a compact, modern design with an IP67 weather-resistant rating, providing strong protection against dust, rain, and harsh outdoor conditions. In comparison, the Eufy E340 also offers a durable plastic build, but comes with an IP65 weatherproof rating, which still protects against rain and dust, but is slightly less resistant to extreme environments. The Philips 7000 series delivers 2K HD dual-camera video, designed to capture both visitors and packages clearly at your doorstep with enhanced vertical coverage. Meanwhile, the Eufy E340 also uses a dual-camera system with a wider viewing angle of around 160 degrees, offering broader front door coverage and improved visibility of packages on the ground. The Philips 7000 series runs on a large rechargeable battery with up to 10,000 mAh capacity and also supports optional 8 to 24 volts AC wired power for continuous charging. In contrast, the Eufy E340 includes a smaller built-in rechargeable battery with an estimated battery life of up to about 120 days, depending on usage and motion activity. The Philips model includes motion alerts, two-way communication, app connectivity, and smart notification support designed for convenient daily monitoring, while the Eufy E340 adds AI-powered human detection, package detection, facial recognition features, dual motion sensors, and local storage support without mandatory subscription fees. The Philips 7000 Series Video Doorbell was launched in September 2023 with an estimated starting price of around $179, targeting users looking for a premium smart home security solution. On the other hand, the Eufy Video Doorbell E340 was released in August 2023 with a launch price of approximately $179.99 USD, positioning it as a feature-rich dual-camera smart security doorbell. The Philips 7000 Series Video Doorbell is ideal for users who want a stylish and user-friendly smart doorbell with essential monitoring features and easy wireless installation, while the Eufy Video Doorbell E340 is better suited for users seeking advanced AI security features, package protection, dual camera monitoring, and flexible local storage-focused home security. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.